Nelson Chamisa, often regarded as a beacon of political acumen in Zimbabwe, made waves on Friday as he shared images of himself engaging with members of the ruling party Zanu-PF at a British embassy event. Sanapenda mashoko abuditsiwa tichiona anoinvolva Nelson Chamisa achimira aiwa nevakomana veZanu-PF. Not to subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipita mulamunyu kwa mchinzi. Among these captured in the snapshots where Zanu-PF stalwarts Chris Mutsvangwa and Webster Shamu signaling a rare display of political unity in the country. In a statement accompanying the photos, Chamisa emphasized the importance of coming together for the collaborative good. Mixing and mingling, it was really refreshing to interact with the invited guests and the Zimbabweans from diverse walks of life at an event hosted by the UK in Zimbabwe. Chamisa's willingness to engage with the political adversaries is seen as a departure from the often polarized landscape of Zimbabwean politics. Sadoma shkwatukuona pana pazvinzi aiwa Nelson Chamisa aiwa mapictures akaposta aiwa achiinvolviwa akamira aiwa nevakomana veZanu-PF akasignala kuti aiwa Nelson Chamisa he might be up for unity ndako kuti anzwa mashoko kuti we are one people. Saka involvement yake navanhu veZanu-PF inoratidza kuti aiwa Nelson Chamisa anga ada kuita unity kana a union nevanhu ve-the ruling party. Mutudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinai comment section medu, subscribe, kulike, chitotena on the bell icon.